Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. This is your English teacher. Today we are going to learn new topics from your English Grammar Today book 3, and our today's topics are question words and use of interjection. So you have to open your page number 10. Dear students, before we get started, let's discuss the objectives. You will be able to ask and answer WH questions. I will further explain you what are WH questions. You will be able to generate appropriate WH questions in real world contexts. You will be able to identify an interjection, understand how to use an interjection properly, know several common interjection and their use. So let's start first with WH words. In English grammar, a WH word is used to begin a WH question. For example, what, who, when, where, why, and how. Although how don't start with WH, but it has W and H in it. So these belongs to WH family. Dear students, now it's time to solve your exercise from your Grammar Today book, page number 10. So we will do the J part. As you can see, who, what, where, when, which and how are question words. Make your own questions with these question words. So the first word is what. For example, what are you doing and where do you live, when you go to school, who is your teacher, how are you. These are the very simple examples, but you have to make in your own words. I will really appreciate you if you use your own words to make these questions. Students, our next topic is interjection. An interjection is a word added to a sentence to convey an emotion or a sentiment such as joy, surprise, disgust, excitement, etc. For example, hello, alas, well done. So these all are interjections. You have to keep it in mind. Interjections always convey an emotion. So whenever we use interjections, they are expressing our feelings, our emotions. Students, you have to keep it in mind that we use an exclamation mark at the end of the expression. So whenever we use these expressions, these words in our sentences, we have to use the sign of exclamation at the end of, specifically not at the end of sentence, but the end of this expression, and question mark at the end of questions. Thank you. Students, now we will solve our exercise number K from your grammar book. Match the interjections with the sentences. I really appreciate that you solve this exercise by yourself, but let me explain you. For example, number 1, it is written hello. Number 2, well done. Number 3, hush. Number 4, wow. And number 5, oh no. So these are all expressions. These are all interjections we use with different sentences, and we use all these interjections in our daily life too. So kindly keep in mind the interjection and its use. I will do first for you, and rest of the you I suppose that you should do this. The baby is sleeping. Okay, now what would be the interjection? Hello, the baby is sleeping. Well done, the baby is sleeping. Hush, the baby is sleeping. Wow, the baby is sleeping. Oh no, the baby is sleeping. So what you feel is the right answer. Yes, exactly. Shh, the baby is sleeping. Number 3 is the right answer. So what you have to do this, you have to match number 3 to the sentence. So rest of you, I expect you will solve this all by yourself, and I expect you will do neatly, cleanly with the use of a ruler and a pencil. You have to match the expressions, the interjections to the sentences. Thank you so very much. Hope you enjoy doing interjections, and you will also use it in your daily language, in your daily life. Thank you, students.